Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Man charged with assaulting attorney denies he attacked lawyer. Dale Holloway also charged with shooting bishop in Pelham Church. A man accused of attacking his defense attorney while in jail on charges of shooting a bishop in a Pelham church told a judge Tuesday that he did not attack the attorney. Investigators said Dale Holloway, 37, attacked his public defender Monday during an attorney-client meeting at the Valley Street Jail. According to an affidavit released before Tuesday's arraignment, public defender Michael David Dow is in an intensive care unit and said he has no memory of going to work Monday. A correction officer said in the affidavit that David Dow and Holloway were in a secure interview room for about 20 minutes when the officer heard Holloway tap on the glass. The officer then saw David Dow bleeding from his face and suffering from severe head injuries. Attorney David Dow suffered substantial hemorrhage, a left lateral eye hemorrhage, various lacerations on his head and face, as well as a broken nasal cavity, said Assistant County Attorney Brian Gurley McNo. The correction officer's desk faces away from the room, and there was no video recording of the meeting, officials said. Correction officials said it's standard protocol for attorney-client meeting to be held in secure rooms. At his arraignment Tuesday on a charge of first-degree assault, Holloway said he didn't beat up David Dow. Holloway said he noticed the attorney had a nosebleed and he got the attention of the correction officer to get help. I flicked the lights twice and knocked on the window for someone to come give him aid to his nose bleeding, Holloway said. His nose started bleeding and I ran to help, so I didn't see where I went wrong here. Holloway argued that he has been an upstanding citizen since he was released from jail in 2018. He said he has been sober and holding a job. I'm not a threat or a danger to society, Holloway said. The judge ordered that Holloway be held in prevention detention. Observantly, the defendant made some claims about what he says occurred, but again, I can't comment on those without verification. Gurley McNone said. That will be an issue for trial. According to court documents, the entire public defender team assigned to Holloway's case has withdrawn, citing an incredible conflict of interest. Holloway was scheduled to appear for a bail hearing Tuesday for charges related to an October 12th shooting at the New England Pentecostal Ministries in Pelham. He now faces a charge of first-degree assault in connection with Monday's alleged attack. After the alleged attack, Holloway was placed in administrative segregation and put under 24-hour surveillance, jail officials said. Officials said he will be handcuffed to a table for any future meetings with attorneys. Holloway refused to sign a court notice informing him of his right to bail, officials said. In other court documents, Holloway said he is legally blind in one eye since birth and has suffered a head injury. The 12-page affidavit on the Pelham church shooting remains under seal. Holloway is charged with attempted murder, first and second-degree assault, simple assault, and being a convicted felon in possession of a firearm. The church's Bishop Stanley Choate, 72, was seriously injured when shots were fired during a wedding ceremony. The bride, Claire McMullen, was shot in the arm, and the groom, Mark Castiglione, was struck in the head with a gun, officials said. A man who said he was Choate's nephew, but who did not want to be identified, attended Holloway's arrangement. He carried a picture of Choate and said he wanted to show support for his uncle. The nephew said he was surprised by the new charges. I just don't think he should ever see the light of day. It's my personal opinion, he said. Why would anybody do something like that to their own lawyer? It just doesn't make any sense. The man said his uncle is loved by many people across New England, and he doesn't know why some people would want to hurt him. And that does it for my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your evening, and I'll see you back here tomorrow for another news report. Good night and bye, everyone.